What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Sorry I've been posting so long. I just couldn't get a video out. But today we are on LCSO, or the County Sheriff. Driving around right now. Going on the highway right now. Waiting for any calls. Like normal, a little boring. You know, you don't always get a lot. Oh. Okay, well, change my mind. Dispatch Unit 3243 en route to call code 2. We're gonna head out to that code 2. Oh, there's stats. It's only a noise complaint, but, you know, still. That's just been for radio chatter. I'm just listening to it anyway. But I'll tell the dispatcher to have units on standby. Unit 3243 have units on standby in case. Alright, so I'm guessing this is the house. It's right on the thing. You know what? No, I'll pull to the road. That'll be nice. I don't want to park on the side of the road. I guess I'll just go right there. Knock on the door. Ring the doorbell. LCSO, open up. Hello, ma'am. We got a noise complaint tied to this house. Yeah, they said that you were being too noisy, blasting like some kind of live stream or something. Yeah. They said they could hear you from almost a block away. Alright, ma'am, I'm gonna have to have you calm down. We'll get this checked out. Just turn it to... Ma'am, please calm down. We just came here to... Can I see your ID really quickly? Thank you, ma'am. Alright. Alright. Yeah, ma'am, can you back up? Get away from my officer. You never gave me your ID. Can I see your ID? Okay, thank you. Jeez, makeup. Alright. Checking this out. Uh-huh. Alright, can you go check her car? Can you go check her car? Her license is good. Ma'am! Just check the license plate. We're just checking the license plate. We're not... Ma'am, calm down. Everything will be okay. We're just trying to, like... We just got a noise complaint. We came down here to check it out. Like, but it's not our fault. He's not checking your... He's not looking inside your car. We're not able to search the car. It's fine, ma'am. I understand. But, did you see the license plate? Did you even check the license plate? We know you didn't do anything wrong. Just calm down. You probably haven't really been. Are you going to do it? You can let your stress out in the house after we leave. But you have to be quiet. Thank you. Not yet, ma'am. We just have to check a few more things. We're not checking your personal belongings, ma'am. We're just checking a few more things with the neighbors. Yeah. Ma'am, sit down here. We'll be right there. Alright. Yes, dude. Alright, yes, you are.
Insurance is invalid. Everything's like expired.
Okay.
She's not wanted, but that car is not very under control. I've seen it from my son. I've seen some, like, weird videos with her, like, streaming and stuff. So I know she's a streamer, and she has like 100,000 followers.
Okay, yeah.
Streaming. If anything, we can just get the court to get us a search warrant.
Okay, we'll come back here tonight if we have to. So you just want to check this out later, or should we take her in now?
If anything, I would try to get the court to get us a search warrant first.
Okay, I'll call into dispatch to try to get us it. You go talk to her. Don't tell her about this. Dispatch, can you get us a search warrant at house 7062? Reason is, their car is invalid. It has a bunch of invalid stuff, and we're just gonna get it checked out. So, try to get that for us. Alright. Okay, ma'am, so you're okay for now. Have a great day, and okay. Have a great day. Alright guys, we're pulling up to this lake's house. It took a while to get the warrant. But yeah, we're here now. I'll flip my lights on. He's gonna pull up right there. It's not that big a deal, we just gotta search your house. I'm just gonna get by this. Alright. We have a warrant to search your house. You mind if we step on it?
We've had multiple. Show me your warrant first.
Man, we do not have to do that.
Actually, well, I don't see it.
Well,
The only way I'll let you go back. Okay. CJ, you want to move your head?
Just like it's gonna be stubborn. Alright, guys. I have the warrant right here. You can see it all you want.
Oh, dang it. I mean, I guess you can come in, but do not go in my streaming room, my bedroom, do not touch my phones. Okay.
Okay, alright, you just watch. Make sure she doesn't go back. Alright. I'm checking these cabinets right here. I don't see anything in them except like a bunch of books. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna check these cabinets right here. Nothing. Nothing. Yeah, I don't expect to find anything here. What do you see?
Gaming soup.
Anyway.
Twitch streamer.
Alright, I'm just gonna check the closet and then I'll check the fridge. No, I got the fridge.
Alright,
I already did. I'm just gonna check the closet. You can check the bathroom and stuff. I'm just gonna check the fridge. Is that? Hold on. That's not lettuce. That's not lettuce and celery. So that is. Yeah.
That is not a good.
That's yeah. Well, we have to get that blocked off and get the detective down here. You're.
Yeah, and you are going to be placed under arrest. Anything you say or do can be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand my words? Yeah, I guess.
Alright, so you.
Is there anything on you that will poke me, stab me, or hurt me? On you, what? Is there anything on you that will poke me, stab me, or hurt me? I mean, I don't know.
Alright, I'll take that.
Alright. Search your book to make sure you don't have anything else. Yeah, she says her license, her snowball, and so on.
Yeah, the main reason we're taking you in is because we found a bunch of illegal things inside of your fridge that was not vegan.
Nope.
Alright, I'm gonna get her house blocked off. She must have thought she could hide that, did she? We're gonna get right there, hooked up to right here. Let me just get this. Alright guys, we're gonna get this set up and we're gonna get. Jeez. Get on the ground, man! Stop running! Get on the ground! Put her in your car. Put her in your car. You.
After that, you're going to jail. Yes, sure.
Alright, I'm just gonna set up this house and get some more guys down here. I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to WizKid and DY or Marine Corps 1777 underscore 1777. And he helps a lot in the videos. Also rate this crime scene down in the comments. Rate it 1 to 10. I think it looks pretty nice. I set it up while I cut. But yeah. Sorry for not posting in a while. And I'm also trying to get a Discord up. So I'll get that in the description when I can. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.